This is one of the world's fastest and most advanced high-speed trains, China's Fuxing train. With 16 carriages stretching 400 meters in length, it can carry 1,193 passengers and travel at a speed of 350 kilometers per hour. But can China's railway really maintain such high speeds?
After all, the first Fuxing trains were introduced 7 years ago, and China's first CRH high-speed trains were delivered 17 years ago. As China's high-speed rail network matures and continues to develop so rapidly, will the trains eventually face aging issues? Right now I'm at the train depot in Chengdu. It's like the parking lot and hospital for high-speed trains.
A high-speed train is generally designed to last 25 to 30 years. High-speed train maintenance factories like this one, referred to as the land-based aircraft carrier, are crucial for the safe operation and extended lifespan of these trains. Now, let's see how busy high-speed train maintenance gets after hours.
So this space is huge, so to travel from one building to another, they usually ride a bike like this or e-bikes. So I'm gonna park my bike right now. High-speed train is being pulled and dragged by this small traction equipment that is just about 2 to 3 meters long. 三级修库. It means level 3 maintenance depot. For the maintenance work of a high-speed train, there are a total of 5 levels, and level 3 and above is considered advanced maintenance. What is advanced maintenance? 三级修检修周期一般为120万公里或者3年. So in China, after the high-speed train has run 1.2 million kilometers or it has been operated for 3 years, it will go through this level 3 or advanced maintenance in China, and that's different in some other countries.
A train requires 21 days to complete a level 3 maintenance check. Regular inspections based on mileage and time are essential for the safe operation of the trains. Currently, China has over 4,400 high-speed train sets, accounting for more than half of the world's total. With the increasing rail transport frequency and density, China's train maintenance industry is entering a period of rapid growth.
Right now, this high-speed train is about to go through its advanced maintenance work, and the first stop, they are trying to lift it up the train. For the advanced maintenance work, there are all kinds of types of work, and in this workshop, most of them are machinists. This is Miss Han. She's one of the female machinists. 韩老师你好。
老师你好，这个相当于就像是动车组的千斤顶，一个车厢的话大概需要2对动车组架起来呢，这个过程大概需要半个小时。取身之后呢，进行一个转向架与车体的分离。裙板、底板也是会拆卸下来的，玻璃的话也是要检修的。座椅损耗的话，它需要我们来检修的话，我们是要拆下来的。空调啊、配电柜啊，里面的所有的电器，大部分是要拆卸下来检修的。
小车旋转，请注意避让。
One of their smart robots. It can help transfer different equipment from one workspace to another. And you can see on the ground, there are some QR codes. That is their virtual routes. 韩老师，我可以帮你推吗？
也不可以，
不可以啊。
我们要有这个证的人做这个工作。
Every type of work here, even when you are driving this forklift or tricycle, it requires a certain kind of a permit or license to do so. Different parts of the train will be removed and sent to different space for maintenance. And this maintenance area is specialized for the bogies of the high-speed train. So it's also called the pedicure room of the high-speed trains. That's very interesting. has just been removed from the train, so it's very dirty. And this row has gone through the repair and maintenance process, so it's like brand new here. Right now, I'm trying to disassemble this electric machine. So the most important part of this advanced maintenance is to disassemble every equipment. So when we break down to the smallest unit, we can check out the most delicate problem and we can replace or repair them. This is a workspace for disassembly. Alright, this is one of the damage detection workshops.
现在这个纹路它是地上是流动的一个纹路，比如说它横向有一个缺陷或者裂纹的话，它就会很明显的在这个表面，看起来比现在照起来这个表面的话要更加亮一些。
Because there are so many small and delicate parts inside the high-speed train. So other than the eyeball test, we also need to rely on this kind of equipment to do this damage test.
In addition to the 21-day Level 3 maintenance check, China's high-speed trains also have an 8-hour rest period after 10 p.m. each day, making the night shift the busiest time for high-speed train maintenance staff.
Oh look, the high-speed train is getting off work now. This is my first time seeing so many high-speed trains gathered in one place.
平交道两侧无来车，无信号未开放，平交道可以安全通过。
This is Mr. Feng. He's one of the maintenance staff member.
晚上一般什么时候这最多？你们什么时候最忙？
晚上2点到3点钟的时候，所有的车都全会放在这儿。每个车都有严格的检修的一个周期，每隔48小时就会进行一个一级修。我们段基本上能停下100多组车，超过一半的车都会进行一级修。所以晚上对我们来说，那个作业任务还是比较重的，比较繁忙的。
你12位呢？ 我们小组3个人，然后还有一个兄弟应该开灯去了。我是负责车顶，然后有2个兄弟是负责车下。一组车应该2个小时左右。今天晚上应该是4个车左右，4个到4个半左右。
Right now I'm under the high-speed train. So in addition to the advanced maintenance that we saw today, there's also some regular routine check to replace the parts that have been worn out. So apart from that, on top of that, there's also every 48 hours they will also conduct maintenance work like that to make sure the safety of the train, to make sure the safe operation of the train. I found something very interesting. This gentleman is filling this train with this kind of white sand or grit.
这个是石英沙子。 它主要的作用就是增加它那个粗糙度，然后防止它的车能打滑，刹到钢轨嘛，就防止它打滑。
We all know the high-speed train is running so fast, so there's a chance these bolts and nuts might get loosened. So before the maintenance work, the staff member always will mark the bolts and nuts with the line. So after it returns for another round of maintenance work, they will check the line and see if it's aligned. If it's not aligned, it might get loosened. So they need to fix it.
螺丝的位置就看得到，手能碰得到，全部都要给它打上。一天差不多就1节肉，3个人一组做4节车。
Just now we saw how they break down the trains for damage detection. Actually, that is a regular job that needs to be done frequently. So as you can see, this gentleman is doing another round of damage detection. And like the human body where the damage in the organ is hard to detect, this kind of work requires another delicate machine or delicate device to detect the damage inside the high-speed train.
这天就是看不到的，它是用超声波的原理来进行探伤。 9万公里进行1次探伤，3个月左右进行1次探伤，一根的时间需要10分钟，后面需要一个人工的再次进行那个探伤的那个图像进行分析。
Such meticulous and extensive work is carried out daily with specific inspection standards for each train model. But what if there are 10 different models? Located in southwest China, surrounded by complex geological conditions, Chengdu is home to the most diverse and complex high-speed train models in China.
So that means we are basically at a big exhibition of China's high-speed train here. A lot of information about the high-speed train can be shown on the body of the train. For example, you can check it out here. It's CRH 380. It means the speed of the train can actually reach 380 kilometers per hour. It's CR 400. It means the speed of the train can reach 400 kilometers per hour. Also, there's a letter Z. It means it is the smartest high-speed train in China, representing the most advanced high-speed technology in China.
As a railway hub city, Chengdu operates high-speed train routes covering 21 provinces across China every day. As the era of metropolitan circles in China arrives, city boundaries become blurred. High-speed trains must operate like public buses, ready to depart at any moment. This means a high capacity and a robust maintenance system supporting the high-speed railway is essential. Recently, the largest high-speed train maintenance facility planned for southwest China and the second one in Chengdu, the Tianfu high-speed train depot, has been officially put into use.
Right now it's already midnight. As you guys have already seen, the safe operation of high-speed trains in China requires a lot of intensive maintenance work and resources. Right now, we already have 2 maintenance bases like this in Chengdu. So with that, I can make a bold prediction that the frequency and scale of high-speed travel in southwest China will only get increased, making our travel even more convenient. That's all for today's video. This is Jeremy, and I'll see you soon.